There are some 6,000 coral species worldwide, and nearly half are classified as stony corals. Coral are considered animals, and they play a major role in keeping balance in the ocean's ecosystems. These organisms have a hard skeleton, which is derived from certain elements in the water column, including magnesium, calcium, and alkalinity. These corals have been separated into two groups, small polyp stony and large polyp stony corals. In reef keeping, typically large polyp stony, or LPS, are easier to care for, and are thus more suitable for the beginner hobbyist. Each species is different, however, so be sure to do your research before investing in any particular type of coral. Less than 1% of the ocean floor is actually made up from coral reefs. However, these diverse ecosystems support life for nearly a quarter of all marine creatures. Coral plays a crucial role in keeping fish and invertebrate species safe from predation throughout their life cycles. In turn, the nutrient-rich water resulting from the presence of fish aids the coral in its survival. The remarkable color varieties we see in corals today is actually the result of a symbiotic relationship with an algae called zooxanthellae, as coral tissue by itself is translucent. In this relationship, the coral offers a habitat for the algae within its tissue, and the algae then feeds the coral via photosynthesis. Corals form colonies, made of hundreds, sometimes thousands of individuals called polyps. These polyps can range in size from a few millimeters to several inches wide, depending on the species. Each is equipped with stinging cnidocytes. This weapon can kill adjacent organisms in order to make room for itself to grow. Corals are pretty savage creatures and prey upon a variety of marine life. Even juvenile fish and invertebrates can succumb to their ravenous appetites given the right circumstances. Just watch as this watermelon Chalice devours these mice to shrimp. This footage here is sped up around 30 times as you can hardly see a thing happening in reality. It's interesting to see how much a single polyp can ingest. There's an invisible mucus layer which covers corals' bodies. This helps bring food into their mouths while they feed. There are many benefits to feeding your corals. Some include more vibrant coloration, having a higher success rate in keeping difficult species, and even accelerated growth. And who wouldn't want that? Most, if not all, corals will benefit from some sort of feeding. We certainly hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you are interested in adding to your collection, we welcome you to view our selection at coralsofeden.com.